Good morning, my dear cutie pies. Today, ma'am is going to tell you about the importance of fresh food. Do you know that fresh food gives us energy to work and play?
Food makes you big. Food makes you grow. Food gives you energy to go, go, go.
Ma'am knows that you all like to have yummy dishes that your mom makes daily. But this is not the case with Ronnie. Though he has started eating fruits and vegetables, but he still avoids eating cereals. So his mom got an idea and decided to make him a healthy chapati roll. She asked him to eat it as she knew that Ronnie likes to eat finger foods. Children, you must be wondering, what is finger food? Let me explain. Finger foods are those food items which are eaten directly using hands and don't require a spoon or fork to eat. We can also call them snacks like sandwiches, rolls, etc. So in this story, Ronnie doesn't want to eat cereals. Though his mom made it easy for him to eat by making a chapati roll, but he still did not listen to his mother. And then he got a plan and started hiding his food under the carpet or sometimes in the cupboards and so many other places. And do you know what happened then? His room started stinking. Children, food when kept outside for many hours doesn't remain fresh and starts to rot. That means it gets stale and starts to smell bad. This is what happened in Ronnie's case, who was not aware of this fact, and his room got stinky due to the hidden food. But finally, his mom caught Ronnie's half-eaten jam toasts. And kids, do you know, if we eat such type of food, we may fall sick. Okay, let me show you what will happen if we will put a slice of bread outside for 2-3 days. It will grow molds on it, which means it will start to rot. So we should not hide the food we eat, okay? Even Ronnie's mom told him about the rotting of food. She also explained that if some raw food items like whole pulses are soaked in water and kept for a day or two in the sunlight, then they will not rot. Rather, they will sprout, and this process is called germination. Yes, children, germinated pulses and grams are healthy to eat, and even Ronnie's mother later made yummy sprout salad lunch for Ronnie. But this time, Ronnie did not hide his lunch. In fact, he thanked his mom and hugged her, and he felt ashamed of his earlier actions. So children, do share this with your friends that we should always enjoy our food and should never hide or throw it in the bin. Okay, so now it's activity time. Today, with the help of Mama, you will soak a handful of grams or pulses in water and keep it in the sunlight for 2-3 days. But children, don't forget to change the water every day. And once they'll sprout, you can make yummy sprout salad. And you can even show them to me during the live session. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye children. Always eat healthy and stay safe.